Most of the candidates might be asking that how to become a clinical pharmacist here in Dubai. So today I got a chance to meet one of the clinical pharmacists. He was working in Emirates Specialty Hospital here in Dubai. Hello guys, so right now I'm in Dubai and most of the candidates might be asking that how to become a clinical pharmacist here in Dubai. So today I got a chance to meet one of the clinical pharmacists. He was working in Emirates Specialty Hospital here in Dubai and he shared his experience that how he got his job here in Dubai Emirates Hospital. So he cleared his HAAD exam long ago, but after that he also cleared his BPS, Board of Pharmacy Specialty exam, which was conducted by the US. And at the same time, he said that he also got the license from Canada. Okay? So he also became a pharmacist in Canada. Then again, he moved back to Dubai, and right now he got the opportunity to work in Emirates Specialty Hospital. So the thing is that if you all have studied in India or Pakistan or Bangladesh, okay, so if you clear DHA exam or the HAAD exam, okay, straight away they might not give you the chance to work in the specialty hospitals. So unless you have some sort of the recognizations. So for instance, the candidate that I spoke to him today, like he is a BPS specialized pharmacist, that is the Board of Pharmacy Specialties, and also he's a Canadian license. He has the Canadian license. So these are the two main factors for which he got the job up over there in that hospital. Okay. So well, thank you so much, and for more updates, keep watching the Elite Expertise YouTube channel, and I will be giving more information about licensing examinations in different countries. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.